Welcome to Lunch Bytes, short bites of knowledge that will help you cook up better media experiences. Today's Lunch Bite is Boldly Go. Thought leadership plus nurture engine equals high impact results. Hi, I'm Susan Kim and I am the marketing manager with the Office 365 team. Today's Lunch Bite has 3 key takeaways. Content is key, test and learn, and stay connected with customers. Modern Workplace is a monthly thought leadership webcast series that is targeted for enterprise decision makers who influence or make IT purchase decisions, which includes roles that span from CIOs to CFOs to marketing or HR executives. 80% of new IT investments will directly involve business executives. So this show is a platform to reach this audience and establish relevance and show them the importance of cloud productivity. It also is an effective platform to showcase the newest and coolest innovations from Microsoft. The show is very top of funnel, where we focus on driving awareness and consideration. More importantly, once we get a registrant, we start nurturing them with the goal of having the customer purchase our products. Television has one of the most successful content and advertising models ever, so we formatted Modern Workplace to follow the same strategy to recruit and engage these potential new customers. Our goal is to create compelling content so people want to watch. We then sprinkle in pieces of Microsoft with short, targeted product messages through 2 commercial spots and a short segment in the end, which we call our Microsoft Innovation segment, where we typically show a hands-on demo that relates back to the show topic. Modern Workplace is in its 3rd season now. We featured various topics spanning from enterprise social, Internet of Things, machine learning, cybersecurity, all interesting topics that companies want to learn more about. We also had a range of guests on our show, such as Maria Bartiromo, TV journalist, Ben Rattray, founder of Change.org, Uri Levine, founder of Waze. The list goes on. We also featured Microsoft executives on our show, such as Amy Hood, Chris Capicella, and Brett Arsenault. We've done a lot of testing and gained a ton of learnings that we've applied to the show. Things like formats, show length, interview styles, demand gen strategy to make the show what it is today. Along with great thought leadership content, what makes Modern Workplace so unique is that it's connected to a powerful engine called the Global Demand Center. The GDC is an always-on engine that is integrated with our marketing programs so that we can nurture customers and either sell direct or build a qualified pipeline for our sales teams. Let me show you how this looks. We reach new customers through various channels such as paid media, email marketing, and leveraging Microsoft properties. When a customer registers for Modern Workplace, they actually register for the series, not just one show. So unless they opt out, they will get emails every month notifying them about the latest episode. After they register, they'll get a confirmation email and then reminder emails leading up to the live show. Then the show airs. One of the benefits of watching live is that viewers get to participate in the live tweet chat where they can directly connect with show guests and Microsoft marketers and SMEs. If a customer watches, they'll get a thank you for watching email. If they missed the show, they'll get a sorry we missed you email, encouraging them to watch on demand. Then 2 to 3 weeks later, this cycle repeats itself. What also happens when a customer registers is that they route into one of our global engagement programs. GEPs are a key component of the Global Demand Center. GEPs is where leads are actively nurtured with personalized pieces of content. The default for Modern Workplace is the Advanced Enterprise GEP, which is focused on selling Office 365 E5, our hero enterprise SKU. However, we can also route leads into other GEPs, both in Office and C&E and other product groups, depending on the show topic that month. For example, the November episode was a show all about Microsoft Teams, which is about collaboration, so new leads for this show were routed into the Collaboration GEP. Once a customer enters a GEP, they'll get nurtured with various pieces of content such as ebooks, infographics, white papers, interactive tools. Every time they engage with our content, they get scored. Once they hit a certain score, they officially become a Marketing Automated Qualified Lead, otherwise known as an MAQL. From then, our inside sales team will call this customer or will hand this lead off to the account team so they can engage. To date, we've routed 160,000 new registrants to the GEPs for nurture, and this number keeps growing. We get over 2,000 viewers every month on average who watch either live or on demand, and we're seeing great engagement with our viewers. Our shows are typically 35 minutes long, and we're seeing that our audience watches 29 minutes, and we're finding that most viewers are actually tuning in late and watching the full show versus dropping off early. Plus, we have a 29% repeat viewer rate, which means our viewers are coming back to watch multiple episodes. And we expect our performance numbers to continue to grow with the expansion of Modern Workplace into 20 markets worldwide. We kicked off this season airing only in English markets back in September. In preparation for expanding Modern Workplace, we kicked off a pilot with France and Netherlands in September to make sure the global rollout of Modern Workplace goes as smooth as possible. This pilot gave us a ton of great learnings that we've applied and really helped us create an efficient operational back-end process. For rest of world, we launched the first episode of Modern Workplace in January. Unlike the English markets that air both live and on demand, these localized episodes are on demand only with closed captioning. We set this model based on the learnings that we got from the pilot. We developed the Modern Workplace editorial calendar by aligning monthly editorial topics with major events, product and feature releases, and seasonality. We strive to set this calendar as early as possible as it helps with booking guests, scripting, demand gen efforts, etc., but we also make sure that we stay agile to support big moments that happen in the company. Now you know, content is key. Identify your target audience. Find out the topics and scenarios that matter to them by getting feedback directly from customers or our sellers, or search the web. I go to business sites and look for headlines and themes that come up again and again, which influences my editorial calendar. Test and learn. Modern Workplace itself was a huge test and learn. We tested a TV model, which wasn't done in the company before. We launched it, went deep into our data, and made improvements. And we continue to test and make optimizations to the show, whether it be tweaking email copy to improve viewership, looking at different ways to leverage social to extend reach, looking at our show format to improve engagement. And stay connected with customers. When you combine a great webcast like Modern Workplace with an engine like the Global Demand Center and the GEPs, where you stay connected with customers after the webcast airs, you deliver value for the customer because they'll continue to get great content pieces that they care about, but it also yields a high return for Microsoft. Want to know more? Visit www.modernworkplace.com. Contact me at susankim@microsoft.com. Want to do a webcast like this? Visit Whack Whack Studios, Whack, contact us. Thank you for your time.